Yeah.
Nein, um Gottes Willen.
Breakout!
Yeah, so what I've been doing, I used the program also Ableton Live, connected my Push 2 MIDI controller to it, and like I've been jamming with Ricardo on the bass and with some other guys who played music basically. But one exciting project we did was I've been walking around with the SP404. This is a sampler and with a microphone, and we recorded some guys in the agency here, some vocal samples, some sounds, and put it on Ableton here. So we have some sounds like some knocking, coffee machine, some clicks, water, opening a bottle, different sounds. And out of this we made a beat. The recorded vocals were like, hey,
Ich bin hier. So kann man doch nicht schaffen.
something like this.
Yeah.
And yeah, we've been playing around with it, made a beat, and you can listen to it in the presentation.
Breakout! Breakout!